Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. So today we are going to create FTP account for our website in Hostinger Hosting. So we are in home page and then on left side you see website. So click on it. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in website section and this is our WordPress website and then you see dashboard. So click on it. So we are going to create FTP account, file transfer protocol. Now you see multiple option. Then on left side you see multiple option again. Now you see files. So click on it. And then in files you see FTP account. So click on it. So this is our FTP access current account. Now you see FTP IP, username, FTP port, folder to upload files. If you want you can change FTP password, recommended FTP client, smart FTP or FileZilla. So you can use this information to access your website file using FileZilla. So it's up to you. If you want to create account, now scroll down and then you see create a new FTP account directory. So you can select path here. So it's up to you. And then you can add username and password and then click on create. And then you can use this information in FileZilla to access your website files. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.